The branch caught on his ankle monitor, dragging both his legs into the machine. And even though his co-workers were nearby, their ear protection blocked out his screams. He fought for his life until someone finally noticed and pulled him out. But his legs had already been cut off. His coworkers tied ropes around his stumps to stop the bleeding. His heart stopped on the way to the hospital, and he needed 15 pints of blood. But somehow he survived and still lives an active life without his legs.